Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to remove background noise in CapCut. So if audio has noise, wind sound or unwanted background sounds, just follow along. First, open CapCut and then tap Add a new project. After that, import your video into the timeline. Now tap on the video clip and then go to the audio or sound section. Look for the option called noise reduction or reduce noise depending on your version of CapCut. Turn it on and adjust the strength to remove background noise while keeping your voice clear. Next, preview the audio to make sure your voice still sounds natural and not distorted. If needed, adjust the level again until you get the best balance. You can also lower background music separately if it's too loud by adjusting volume levels in the audio settings. Once you're happy with the result, go ahead and export your video in high quality. So that was how to remove background noise in CapCut easily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.